All right. What is up? We are in Chania and this is the Nea Chora Beach. And the sun is about to set and the light is just magnificent. This moment, I have been waiting for this moment like ages. Finally we have a warm day, a sunny day, no rain anymore, no clouds. And yeah, and Chania, the most romantic city in Greece. So we will be taking a walk from the Nea Chora Beach toward the Venetian port of Chania, and believe me, it's just so beautiful. Yeah. I truly wish that you are here and you are experiencing this very moment here. It is just breathtaking. I cannot explain it to you. Yeah, you gotta come here by yourself, be here at the Nea Chora Beach and look at the sun going down in the sea. And then maybe later on grab a drink, grab a dinner. Yeah, like the options are limitless.
Chyba nie zrozumiemy tego.
This very frame, this very view, you know, Hollywood would pay like hundreds of thousands, at least tens of thousands of dollars to create this scene, and we just have it here. And the restaurant over there, the lucky people, those who are right now dining there, are going to see the sun going right, dipping into the sea. Yeah, what a moment that if you have a glass of wine in your hand and you are sitting with the most special person of your life, and then you are, oh, we have a friend in the vlog, and you are drinking your wine. Yeah, or maybe perhaps looking at your kids playing in front of you. Yeah.
Πρέπει να κανονίσει το μεγάλο.
I will call this magnificent. I'm getting emotional. I'm like looking at the nature. It makes us emotional. It kind of reconnects us to something that feels special. And yeah, you gotta be doing this. You gotta be doing this more often in life. I am absolutely agreed with you. Beauty is everywhere. You gotta have the eyes to see it. But some places are just exceptionally beautiful. They contain some sort of force to it and some sort of energy that you cannot replicate that anywhere else. Like there is something special about those things. Yeah. This port is a pretty chaotic scene, but at this very moment it is just like a very beautifully composed melody. The movement of the boat, the flags, the sounds that it makes, the sunset, the little islands, like the triple little islands lining up. You gotta be here. Yeah, okay. You gotta make a promise. Whenever you are visiting Chania, take an like afternoon sunset time walk here in Nea Chora Beach. You are gonna absolutely love it.
Itu terus